Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very well. Today guys, I have shared with you amazing and gorgeous videos and different amazing designs for cardigans design. It's so amazing, beautiful design. These are most fantastic ideas and more amazing videos. These amazing design, it's so perfectly designed for everyone. Cardigans design, it's so amazing and different amazing gorgeous videos and amazing gorgeous ideas, it's so beautiful for everyone, like most amazing videos. So I will keep sharing similar design with my dear friend daily. Inshallah, wishes how you like our videos. If you want any videos related to any pattern for more gorgeous ideas and different amazing videos and different amazing designs, to get many more amazing designs, like much amazing videos. So I will keep sharing similar design with my dear friend daily. Inshallah, wishes how you like our videos. And if you want any videos related to any pattern, so I will keep sharing similar design with my dear friend daily. Inshallah, may Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep your home in abundance. And may you continue to enjoy my video like this, Amin. So more attractive designs. So friend, this video, it's so beautiful designs. These designs, it's so perfectly designed for everyone, like amazing ideas. So I will keep sharing similar design with my dear friend daily. Inshallah, wishes how you like our videos. And if you want any videos related to more attractive design, hope you guys like all these most elegant videos. These designs are so amazing and most beautiful design, it's so amazing. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification for more elegant and gorgeous videos, many more amazing designs. Hope everyone like most gorgeous ideas. So let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos for more elegant ideas. So we will meet again in the next video and more attractive design, it's so perfectly designed. So let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching our videos. Thanks once again. Take care yourself. Allah Hafiz. Hello everyone, welcome back to